guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today we are going to be reviewing this little dime, the Advanced Skincare Infusion System by Spa Science. This is the box and packaging. I am really excited to try this product. If you've been with me for a little while, you know I've done a review on Spa Science's microdermabrasion, and yes, I can say it right now. I used to call it microdermablation. Anyways, I reviewed their ultra clarifying microdermabrasion tool, and I absolutely loved it. I did a total review. If you haven't seen it yet, click right here to watch. But if you are super interested in learning all about the Advanced Skincare Infusion System, then keep on watching. So before we get started, this is gonna be my basic nighttime routine. I am just gonna add this guy into the normal process I do. So the products I'm using in my video are the products I use every single night of my life. And two products that I'm really anxious to see how this kind of affects my skin absorption and how it really applies and how it feels are both my Lancome creams. So if you've watched me for a while as well, you know I love Lancome for skin products. But basically, I just got out of the shower. I have a hair mask on, so my hair is living its best life right now. My skin is actually not living its best life because I accidentally fell asleep in my makeup. Yeah. It was rough. I woke up the next day and I was like, oh, I know the skin karma is coming for me, which it has arrived. I have red dots literally everywhere. My forehead is just an explosion. I have a blemish here, I have a blemish here, I have a blemish here, I have a blemish here. I have enough blemishes to where we don't need to point out every single one of them. So yeah, really just eating well, drinking a lot of water, taking my makeup off every night. It's gonna be the only thing that fixes this. So excuse my face for having a mental breakdown, but we're still gonna do my nighttime routine. This is what I do every single night before I go to bed, except the one night. So really fast, the products I'm gonna be using in this video. In my hair, I have the Replenishing Hair Mask by Foxy Bay. It really smells good and feels great in my hair. So I use this actually like once a month in my hair because my hair is pretty hydrated, and I don't even use it at my scalp. I just use it at the ends, like where I'm at the split ends, and then I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes in my hair and then rinse it out. So anyways, I have that going on with my hair. I'm going to be using the Clinique Clarifying Lotion Twice a Day Exfoliator. It's Clinique number 2, so it's the purple one. This stuff I absolutely love. I have been using this exact same stuff, since I was like 14. It's great. My mom used it. Her skin is fantastic, and she's like almost 60 and she looks like she's 30. So love that stuff. Obviously, to apply that, I need my cotton balls. I will not be using the Spa Science to apply that since that's an exfoliator. And then my creams that I will be using with the Spa Science Aero tool is the Benefit Multivital Night Cream by Lancome. This stuff is amazing. And then I will also be using my Lifting Multi-Action Eye Cream, also by Lancome. So these will be the 4 products that I'll be using in this video, 5 if you're including the hair product, but just wanted y'all to know everything I use. And these face products I use every single night. They are amazing. So without further ado, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button below before we go any further. Now let's get started. I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Clarifying Lotion. Now I usually end up using about 4 cotton balls with this product because this is, so far, in my opinion, the best exfoliator to get dirt off. No matter how clean I think my face is, every time I use this, the cotton ball is brown. I don't know how that happens, but yeah, it's really good at getting that dirt off. So just going like this on the cotton ball, and we wipe this everywhere. Okay, so now that I'm done with my Clinique exfoliant, I go in with my creams. So since we have this guy today, I'm gonna go ahead and whip him out. and this will be my first time using it. Now I'm not gonna go into detail on the Clinique stuff or my creams because I'm reviewing this guy in this video, but if y'all want me to share a little bit more, I can certainly do another video on that, but I will link the products that I'm using below. Okay, so it comes like this. We have a little charger and we have the Aero machine. So this is what mine looks like. It is so pretty and minty. I love the color of it. I mean, this looks great on your like nightstand, like on my vanity with all of my other beauty products. This is very pretty. So before we dive into using this, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the product itself because this is skin activated. So there's not an on and off switch. It touches your face or it touches your finger and it turns on immediately. So before I put the product on and go to town with this, I just wanna talk a little bit about the features of this product. So the Aero Advanced Skincare Infusion System retails for $29, which is fantastic price. The Aero is a trans-epidermal delivery system that provides triple clinical infusion. This innovative combination of sonic, ionic, and thermal infusion maximizes the performance of any skincare product. It absorbs any skincare product 7 times faster than your fingers. That is like the most intriguing thing about this thing to me, is that it's like, have I been wasting product my whole life? I don't know, we're about to find out, but I really hope this works because 7 times better, that's incredible. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, skin dehydration, skin tone imperfections. It brightens your skin, and it's supposed to correct any signs of premature aging. And it's meant for any skin type, any color of skin. So the main things this is supposed to do is increase the brightness, firmness, and hydration of your skin. And it is also supposed to improve the appearance of any fine lines on your skin, whether they're on your forehead or your laugh lines or crow's feet. These are supposed to really minimize the appearance of those lines. So there are a lot of other health benefits with the Aero machine. So I am gonna link the product below. I'm gonna link a bunch of the health facts just so I don't take up this whole video sounding like a professional dermatologist, because I am not, but I will link them all below so you can read more about the details on the health benefits with this product. So a few more other things I just wanted to highlight real fast. It has a USB rechargeable cable, which I already showed y'all. It's travel friendly. That is amazing for someone like me. I'm on the road literally every other week, and if this wasn't travel friendly, I would not get to use it that much. And you're supposed to be able to use this up to twice a day, which is a lot of use for this. And so I probably will use it once a day, like every night right now, like when I'm applying all of my creams and my nighttime serums and stuff, that's when I'll use this. And so if I can only use this like when I'm home, what's the point? I mean, yes, it'll give me benefits, but I want something I can use consistently. So as long as I can travel with this, I can do that. And it has a 1-year warranty. So if you have a problem within the year of you purchasing it, Spa Science will exchange it for a brand new perfect one at no cost. So on the website, it says I should apply the product to the actual head of the Aero machine and then go to town and start putting it on. So I'm gonna start with my eye serum, and I'm kind of anxious when I put it on and my finger touches it. Is it gonna start buzzing at me? I don't know. So I'm gonna go in. I usually use a good amount of eye serum because why not? So I have the product all over it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Oh wow. It's so tingly, it almost tickles. The head heats up to 107 degrees Fahrenheit. It's supposed to create like a temporary thermal pore dilation. That is supposed to maximize your skin absorbing the product. So I can feel it getting warmer on my skin as we speak. It actually feels so good. The only thing that I don't like about this so far is that the head is not small enough to get right up into, like right underneath my lashes, whereas my fingers can. So I will probably apply my own little layer of serum right underneath my eyes because this does not reach there. This feels like a little mini massage on my face. It feels great. It is getting hot. Very, very hot. Wow. Okay. Wow, this feels so good. I just want to keep on going, but I want to get to my face. I'm going to do the same thing. Take some on my fingernail. kind of dab it all over. There we go. And you're supposed to do small circular motions. And actually, when I was learning about skincare, one of the main things, and surprisingly one of the most common mistakes women make, is the direction in which they apply. So you never want to pull your face down or do your circular motions going inwards. You always want to go up. So you're pulling your skin up. Same with your neck. You never want to bring your products down. You want to push up so that you're lifting your skin and you're pushing the product up into your skin, not down. So same with this, even though you're going in circular, you want the pressure to be when you're going up, not when you're coming back down. So I'm really going to target my laugh line areas because those are the areas, even at my age right now, I can see indentions kind of coming in because I laugh a lot. So they're a good kind of wrinkle, but we're just gonna see if we can't pull them out a little. So the nose, for me, it tickles incredibly because most people have very bony noses. Like your cartilage is all right there, so it tickles me a little bit. This feels so good since it's warm. It's just gliding it all on so nicely. It's not getting stuck on my skin. Wow, okay, so my face feels like it just got a massage. Feels amazing. And the product is all really absorbed and in there. This got nice and warm. It felt so good on my skin. Cannot wait to see the results through time of, in 2 weeks is when you're supposed to see a big difference in your fine lines and in the brightness of your face and in the hydration and all of that. So I'm really excited to see my results, but this feels so good. The massage alone, like every night before I go to sleep to give myself a little face massage is like amazing, but the benefits of what this is supposed to do is awesome. So I'm definitely excited to continue using this product. The link for this product will be down below in the description, as well as a bunch of health facts and a guide to what exactly this is supposed to do. But definitely check out Spa Science. I have been a customer of theirs for a year now. I really like their products. They're good quality. The first product I ever bought from them about a year ago. I still use it to this day. My microdermabrasion tool, I use it at least once a month now, and it still works fantastically on my face. It feels so great after using that. So I have a lot of faith in this product as well, that it's going to deliver. Other than that, guys, thanks for getting ready for bedtime with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give this a like and subscribe. As always, your support is so appreciated. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.